Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we learn to design a business flyer in Photoshop. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. If you have question, let me know in the comment. Okay, now I go File, choose New or Control N. I go to Print. You will see A4 size. I click on it and I put the name. For size I skip, I put default. Resolution I put 300 pixels per inch. Color RGB 8-bit and 12 pixels and create. Now we have a document the size A4. I need to save this document first. I go File, click Save As. I choose the place I want to save and click Save. After save, I go View, choose Guard and New Guard Layout. And I tick on Margin, top, left, bottom, right. I put 50 pixels and OK. Next step, we need to add shape. I click on rectangle tool, this one. Stroke, I choose no stroke and fill the color you want. So I choose yellow. Now we have a rectangle. I stand on it and Ctrl T, right click and choose perspective. And I stand on the middle and drag. Okay, I need this side. I Ctrl J to make copy, Ctrl T, right click and flip vertical. Drag it down. If you don't see the ruler, please Ctrl R, you will see. Now I use pen tool, this one, and I choose shape. Stroke, I put no stroke and fill the same color. I click here. Now we have 3 shapes. Okay, I put like this. I use pen tool again. Fill, I choose black. And I start from this point. I need to customize this point. I use direction tool and click on it and drag it a little bit. Okay. After that, I use rectangle again. Fill, I choose yellow. Okay, I need like this. I select all shape and Ctrl G to make group and rename. I need to add company logo. I go File, Place Embedded, and select logo. I need to add text over here. I use text tool. And you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I select the text and choose this one. For above text, I put black, and for stand out, I put yellow. I want to add line over here. I select on rectangle and choose line tool. Drag from here and you can hold shift to make it straight. Okay, I need to add another text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. And I put another text. I use text tool again. I Ctrl V to paste. Now I need to insert picture to the shape. I stand on it and I go File, Place Embedded and select the picture. I go to Layer and right click, Create Clipping Mask. Another shape, I stand on it, go File, Place Embedded and select the picture. Go to Layer panel, right click and create clipping mask. Another shape, I stand on it. I go File, Place Embedded again and select the picture. Right click, create clipping mask. I need to add text and symbol over here. I choose text tool and you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I need to add a line. I choose line tool. Hold Shift. Stroke I put yellow and 10 pixels. I insert the icon over here and text over here. I make this icon to one group. Select all icon, Ctrl G. I want to change color all icon to yellow. We stand on group and go to F8 and choose color overlay. Select on color and OK. I need to add text. I use text tool. You can tap or you can Ctrl V to paste. The next step, I need to add contact and social media icon. I put all icon to one group. Select all icon layer and Ctrl G. I want to make it black. I stand on group and go F8, color overlay. I change color to black. I choose text tool, Ctrl V or you can tab. I add a line. I use line tool. Color I change to black. I put 10 pixels. I add text over here. Now our flyer is finished, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you next video.